What kind of food do you like?
I like all kind of food.
Really? Can you eat spicy food?
I love spicy food. The hotter the better.
You are so lucky.
Why I am lucky?
It's terrible when I eat a hot pepper.
Can you eat Thai or Mexican food?
Yes. I can, but only if it's really bland.
Do you eat out very often?
Sometimes.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
I do have a favorite vegetarian restaurant.
Are you a vegetarian?
Yes, I am.
So you don't eat chicken or pork?
No chicken. No pork. But I do eat fish.
Are you a vegetarian for health reasons or religious reasons?
Most for health reasons.
Huh. All the talk about food has made me hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Would you like to go to my favorite vegetarian restaurant?
What is good there?
Well, of course. The fresh vegetables are outstanding.
Sounds delicious. Let's go.
Thank you for watching channel Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.